Hi, Rad. I just installed the new wiring harness you guys sent me last week. Everything's plugged in. I haven't put it through the tube yet because I wanted to make sure everything was working before I, put it all through. Here's the new light. It's not attached. I plugged it in. Battery is in. And when I turn it on, I still get error 25. Now, of course, try to do this one-handed. I'm sure if I, hold on, plug this, leave it off, and I turn it back on. Everything turns back on. So I'm not sure what the problem is. I'll send you this video and we'll take it from there.